Hi everyone, Dr. Robinson here from TechVision, and it's that time of year where everybody wants to sign up for professional hours, and you can absolutely join the regular pack, but if you would like something very specific for teachers of the blind and how you teach students and learning your own skills and having transcribers join you to learn transcriber skills, that's what we do. So you can contact TechVision Training at yourtechvision.com if you want to learn how to write APA or MLA paper. Keep in mind, this is all with screen readers and braille displays, so you're going to be learning just like our students do, who are screen reader users. Learn math. We've got a wonderful quadratic formula there staring at you. And of course, that's completely accessible as all math is becoming if you know your math editors. You can also learn low vision tricks, how to help your low vision students increase sizes, but also still learning screen reader commands for when they need to read, hundreds and hundreds of pages of work for reading. Learn all things Google, Braille embossers, Tiger software, learn how to do graphics, all made accessible, of course. Learn JAWS or NVDA commands to navigate anywhere and do anything. Learn browser skills, learn how to connect to Braille devices and set up voice profiles. You name it, we will teach it. Let me give you some other ideas because they're so cool. Maybe you need to learn how to do box and whiskers. You can do that in Excel or you can do it in Google. And I'm just naming the most advanced skills here because typically this is the most challenging for people. We can teach you Google Docs, how to format APA and MLA papers there, or in Word. Office is, 92% of the world uses Office. So huge skills there. Or maybe you want to learn how to do PowerPoints or Google Slides. You can make either look, yes, this gorgeous, with a math calculation on one side and digital, any type of font, highly visible for anyone. So you let us know what you need, and we can be part of your professional development throughout the year. I also have schools who do professional development throughout the year. So even before you get to the big, days where you're sitting there for 5 or 6 hours, yes, we do those, but we can also work one-on-one for professional development hours. So during those huge days during the school year, they're not so huge because you've already learned several hours along the way in the school year. Okay, so that's professional development for anyone who needs it. Just another avenue to learn the skills necessary to teach those kids. Okay, we'll hope to see you sometime in the future.